Do you think this was on purpose? This biker paid the price for having a little too much fun. I'm pretty sure both parties could have handled this differently. Please slow down in such areas.
Take where you are. Can somebody stand and stop bicycles coming in on the near side?
This biker decided to flip off the driver who kept tailgating him for a while.
A few moments later.
One way, you stupid cow! What the f are you doing? It's on camera! Green light! Green! Camera!
The driver decided to jump the red light and hit the biker. Remember bikers, a green light doesn't always mean it's safe.
I've no idea yet. I can't feel my ankle. 2 seconds, I got music playing. Rocky! Panagiasu!
At first it seemed like a light crash, but the biker was pretty banged up afterward. The biker came across a driver who did not care about anyone else on the road.
A few minutes later.
Bad line of sight will get you. As the biker lane split through, he got his foot ran over by a reckless driver. The biker got very angry at this driver for using her phone while driving.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're on your phone and you're swerving? Get off your phone! Stupid. On a phone and it's swerving right through me. Idiot. Stupid, aren't they?
As this biker was about to be pulled over, he decided it was better to disappear. Remember, bikers, do not do this. Please avoid cutting corners.
Oh, what the?
Another tough situation where going too fast on public roads ended up in a very serious crash. Please refrain from riding in such manners on public roads. It's very risky, as you can see. Adjust your speed and ride safely.
A few moments later.
Yo.
How bad is the bike, Lee?
You sure? You got hella adrenaline going right now.
Dude, look how close I was to taking the drink.
You didn't dip down in here at all.
Oh, no, it stopped right there.
Jeez. Many of you watching aren't subscribed yet, so hit that subscribe button to join our community. When on a bike, you must know it's very easy and common to low side. It happens way too often due to many factors, such as dirt on the road, too much leaning, and so on.
Tranquilo, estoy bien. Sí, tranquilo, no pasa nada. Hasta luego. Ay, qué bueno. ¿Qué pasó, weón?
Hey, check out this crazy episode.